Our company name is Anhui Zhongke Optic Color Sorter Machinery Company Limited. And this is our north gate. Here is our inner side parking lot. And this is the machine loading platform for containers. Usually we will send the machine to Shanghai port, but sometimes we will loading containers here. And here is the testing room. Usually we will test our new machine models here and some difficult sorting materials here. Here is a packing workshop. Machine will be packed here, and after then to delivery. This is the boxes boards before packing. And the parts warehouse. For example, outlet hoppers, import hoppers, and pipers. Okay. And here is a temporary warehouse for ready machines. This machine is already ready, waiting for packing over there. The packing workshop already just waiting. This machine are temporarily stored here. And here is also some parts stored here, like hops, stainless input hoppers and outlet hoppers, all here. And here is our sports center. We usually play basketball and badminton here. And out from this door, there will be the assembly workshop here. 6 rooms together. Here is the assembly room. These are auxiliary parts here, like elevators, feeders, and other parts. And here is a small metal parts warehouse. You see a lot of metal parts here. And many other parts also here. Okay. See, machine assembly here. Some are already finished. This is all color sorter on just under assembly. And there is a belt color sorter, T color sorter, and here we found a rice color sorter. Also here, all color sorter. This is our R&D building. More than 200 employees, engineers are working here in this building. And the first floor is a showroom. We'll go inside and check. Zhongke Guangdian, our company Chinese name. English CSO means Chinese Science Optic Electronic, and our machine brand name is AMD. Starts from 202. Now we have more than 20 years. We have 1,000 employees and achieved $110 million US sales turnover. This is made 2 years ago, so the number is old. We have serviced more than 70 countries in the area and 23,000 customers over the world, and 35,000 machines already sold. We have received many certificates and glories. Including CE certificate and CSA. This is some main products now we have. Rice color sorter, grains color sorter, tea color sorter, oil color sorter, plastic color sorter for recycling, and cool sorters. This is some samples from our customers. This is our rice color sorter, RG series. This is multi-application green color sorter, RC series, which can be used for beans, nuts, seeds, corn, etc. This is our latest technology, AI deep self-learning sorter, which has amazing performance on shape sorting for grain materials. This is our tea color sorter, which can apply on black tea, green tea, and flowers, and some dried herbs. Our technology can be also applied on core sorting field and X-ray inspecting field, and so on. This is our all color sorter. This model is specially designed for small and medium size of all granule. This model is specially designed for powder ore materials, especially for quartz powder. These machines is plastic sorters. We give it it's the high end. We give it a new brand, HFM. This machine can sort many kinds of plastic flakes GV series for color sorting, GI series for polymer sorting, and GU series for aging flex and fluorescent flex sorting. This is a classical field type color sorter. It's very price competitive compared with the AI deeper self-learning sorters. And out of this door, we will see our office building. This is our office building. And here is our north gate. And outside the parking lot. This is our employee's car outside the parking lot.